folks, here I am, Ekaterina Pyanikova. Important to know creation some footage as it requires some bytes plugins signing the speed of the processing rate this much easier. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. On my second channel, YandexMoney footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within crop of images, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the buttons present. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my